Hi, welcome to week 3. This week you're going to work on your career materials, finding a position, analyzing that position, and then starting to understand cover letters. So our goal is to understand cover letters or the personal statement structure and to analyze our audience for the career materials. You have 2 assignments this week, no discussions, so you're not going to be commenting to each other. Although you've done an excellent job on that, I am so proud of the interactions that are happening on that discussion board. Not proud of me, but proud of you. They are thoughtful, and most of you are really taking time to compare what you found to someone else, and that's how learning happens when we're in this type of online environment. So Wednesday night you have to do the information sheet. So let me pull that up. I think it's somewhere down here. Here we go. This information sheet just asks you some questions about the name, where you're going to apply, name of company or school, how did you find out about that company, position, or school? Are you from there? Do you know someone who works there? Did you just find it in a random search? The primary or products or services rendered. Also think about this if you're applying to a graduate school or going to like an elementary school if you're an education manager. What types of students go there if it's a K through 12 school, and then if you're thinking about a graduate school, what are they known for? What are their majors? Number of employees or students, name of any relevant subsidiaries. This confuses people. What I mean by that is like branches or companies that are underneath them. Who's a supervisor or head, their address, you'll need that for the cover letter, a title source and a title and a source about the company or the school, and the current price and status of stock or endowment if it's a school. If they don't have, if it's not a public corporation, then how you think they're doing financially from what information you can gather on the internet. Any additional comments and a copy of the ad because we'll be using that next week. So that's due on Wednesday. That asks you to do a little bit of research about about the position you're applying for. The way that you turn that in, so let's look at that really quickly. You click on writing your way into the workplace and you'll see the information sheet. Press submit. And there should be a place to turn that in. I don't see one, but I will make one. But this is where you would turn it in and submit it. Somehow I'm not seeing that, but I think that's because my settings are wrong. But I'll make sure and you can attach it here once you fill it in. Going back, the next assignment is the cover letter revision exercise. I think the best way to figure out how to write something is to look at how other people have written it and to kind of dig into that. So I give you a lot of examples. Hold on just a second.